CUT40PRO, a high-tech plasma cutter that delivers sharp, clean cuts. One precise cut, one professional result, one machine that does it all. CUT40PRO features a compact, lightweight design for quick and easy setup within minutes. The Quick Connect system saves operation time and enhances efficiency. With cutting current of up to 40 amps, the CUT40PRO easily handles metals up to 10 millimeters thick, delivers the cleanest cuts at 6 millimeters. Fast, smooth, and precise. Effortlessly cuts iron, steel, stainless steel, aluminum, and more with an air pressure of just 3 to 5 kilograms per square centimeter. CUT40PRO provides clean cuts up to 6 millimeters and maximum cutting thickness up to 10 millimeters. The CUT40PRO integrates IGBT technology. Stable operation, energy efficient, durable, and high performance. Easily operates with a standard 220-volt household power supply. Complete accessory kit included, providing maximum support for welders in any working environment.
I choose the CUT40PRO because it's durable, delivers clean cuts, and is energy and air efficient. With this machine in the workshop, I can work with peace of mind.
Plasma CUT40PRO. Clean cuts, professional power buy now. Activate 18-month electronic warranty. CUT40PRO. The top choice for every professional mechanic.